I was cleaning up all these dry bush. You see all these dry bush, these bright bush here for years. You know what I'm saying? All I do, I cut the grass and just leave them right there, and for years. So this is the first time I'm really raking up these pine leaf and leaf that I can get the compost from underneath. So all these is what I rake up. All this area here I rake up already. You see how over there looking? Over here was looking worse. Now you could naturally see compost, that rich compost underneath. And this is what I'm gonna be using for my plant. So let's do a little digging, guys, and let me show you guys how rich this compost is and how leaves could really help you out in a garden. This is gonna be a long video, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so now all these is compost, right? This, look at this. This is grass, all them grass and bush and all them thing. Just right here in this area here alone I dig. You know what, let me get a bucket and I'm gonna fill a bucket just to show you guys what's going on. So this is free compost. So when you have leaves and you want to do a garden, or you cut your grass and you want to do, and you do in a garden, never throw them away. Look how rich this is, man. You see what's going on here? So now I ain't have to buy any compost. This is where, this whole area here is where I'm gonna come and dig up all my compost to throw around my plants. You see this? You see how dark it is? All this, watch. All here. You see all this? It show, you're even seeing it, watch. You're seeing the pine grass and all them things. Just keep rotting. So over the years, all these compost, all this grass was here, just rotting, and creating compost for me. Alright? So now I got free compost. I ain't got to buy no compost. But I'm just telling you guys, if you have the opportunity to able to rake a leaf or even to cut your grass, I think it's best for you to save them. If you have a little area, you could throw them in a heap, you know. All right, so let's go over by the garden. I'm gonna show you guys all the grass where I take and I put them in the walkway between my raised bed. Okay, so basically, let me show you what I did. This is gonna be the walkway for the raised bed. So you could able to tend to your plants them right here, and you could able to tend to your plants them right here. So you walk in between these two beds and you could tend to the plant over here and also here. So what I did, I put all these leaves on the ground, so it's gonna eliminate them grass from growing up in the garden. So this is gonna make it easier for me, so I wouldn't have to do too much cleaning. Also, this is compost I'm creating.